Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and this is my unboxing of HorrorPack. I get the Blu-ray subscription. HorrorPack is a monthly subscription. You get 4 DVDs or Blu-rays, and often I think that there's one limited edition. At least I've been getting a limited edition Blu-ray each time. So it comes in a package like this. And let's check out what we're getting this month. So the first movie is Annabelle, which I've seen. And actually, a funny thing, I was at a film festival and in San Diego, and Annabelle was playing at the theater down the street, and they were giving out all these Annabelle masks, or maybe it was playing at that theater. But anyway, we had all these Annabelle masks, and it was around Halloween, and we were all wearing them. It was pretty funny. The next one is Mega Shark versus Mecha Shark. So, monster versus metal. So, yeah, I'm thinking like it's a giant shark versus a robot shark. So, there is that one. O.W. Gibson's in this one. That's interesting. I kind of like her. She seems sweet. Then Betsy. I'm thinking this is the, oh, sorry about that reflection. Whoa. Sorry about that. I'm thinking this is the limited edition. Betsy is a werewolf film with heart and bite from Pop Horror, and I adore Pop Horror. They're so awesome. Let's see. I think this is the limited edition one. Oh, HorrorPack limited edition. If I looked at the front and I read it, HorrorPack limited edition. Gosh, it's reflecty. It's really reflecty. Sorry about that. And then the next one is Patient Zero. And I think, out of all these, I think the only one I've seen is Annabelle. And there's 3 that I haven't seen. I'll hold them down so there's less reflect. Yeah, so there's the 4 Blu-rays for this month. What do you think? What do you think of these movies? Have you seen any of these movies? What do you get? HorrorPack? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I am getting ready to do my 31 days of Halloween starting October 1st, so I'm going to do mini reviews. I may watch some of these or some of the other ones, but I think we're watching a bunch of Shudder this year. My husband and I do it every year, so I think this year we're going to be doing the Shudder movies, but there may be more. We might do more than 31. I don't know. I am working quite a bit this month and still having a little bit of health issues, but for the most part I'm doing okay. But anyway, we'll see. If you want me to do reviews on any of these, let me know, and I will see what I can do. Or any of the past ones, I'll see what I can do. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.